Hey, good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday, and happy Mother's Day to the beautiful mothers out there. And Mom, happy Mother's Day. I love you always. And this is the better view of the Dodge Charger. The first take was in the garage. You couldn't really see as much or see the inside. Some of my subscribers told me that I should have took it out of the garage first, but I understand. So once again, this is a better look at my car, and let's check out the inside. The inside is pretty clean. No airbags exploit. It do need a wash. The back seats, interior looks pretty good in the light, as you can see. Once again, when I first got the car, the front bumper was busted. I had to get a new front bumper. I had to get a new radiator support. And let's see, to get it started. Where are my keys at? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now let's start it up so y'all can hear it. Runs pretty good. Runs pretty good, as you can see. I had to get a new radiator support, like I said. Had a new air mass sensor. That was bad. I had to bring a new brake line. Had to put that in. That was difficult because it had so much air in the brake system. It was hard for me to sit there, even get the brake system to work. But I pulled it out. Right now, I'm gonna sit there and set up to get this side panel on my passenger side, sand it down and prep so I can get it washed and ready for paint. I'll link back in when I'm set and ready. Yeah. Came out pretty good. As the washing, still washing. Now I'm gonna spray it down. Coming out looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Yeah, it came out looking pretty good. Got little scratches. Once I take it to the paint shop, they're gonna take care of all that. I'm gonna get it painted one color. Finished product there. I got it sanding down, nice and smooth. May look ugly, but it's nice and smooth. Came out pretty good after this wash. Stay tuned to the next video when I sit there and try to get everything painted before I start working on the mechanical part. Take care.